Hello everyone, so today I'm doing some pin curls. Into that spray bottle I'm adding some water, some rose water for hydration. I'll also be adding some oil just to keep my hair moisturized. That's Therapy by Jay's dry scalp treatment oil, and I'll be adding my favorite aloe vera jelly because I want something to give it a light hold, nothing too heavy, and the aloe vera gel is also very hydrating. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair, and for each section I'm just going to spray that mixture onto my locks. And when I start doing the pin curls, I'm going to do 2 locks at a time. And I'm gonna roll them up. I'm gonna try my best. You'll see some of them are kind of loose. I'm gonna try my best to roll them up very tightly and secure them with those double pronged clips. So that's what I'm doing here. As I was doing this, I thought I was failing. I was like, these pin curls aren't really tight, but I actually did like the results in the end. So yeah, again, all I'm doing is taking 2 locks at a time, and I'm trying my best to wrap them around really tightly in a circular motion. They kind of look like snail shells, and securing them with those clips. So it started getting a little difficult for me to just kind of make sure that the pin curls were nice and tight. I did have to do several tries with some of my locks, so bear with me. This is definitely a style that you should do if you have lots of patience and a lot of time, because it did take a little while for me to get the hang of things. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but I wasn't going in any specific direction. I think I was actually alternating, and I kind of liked the way it looked when it came out. All the curls weren't like stuck together. It was kind of like this ununiform, beautiful, like faux look. So here you'll see that some of my locks are actually out. My newer locks, which are the shorter ones, are meant to be out. The other ones are not meant to be out. Those are locks that I actually missed. So I'll go back and fix those when I'm finished with all of these.